Soak the clay. Open the valve to release the mixed clay slurry. A special filter channel is designed at the outlet. The clay for coffee cups must have less than 90% water content. To quickly remove excess water, they use an oil press. Apply pressure to the clay. In 24 hours, the clay's moisture reaches the standard. After releasing the pressure, two craftsmen carefully remove the clay cakes. The clay's moisture is right, but the isn't. Direct use would cause air holes in the cups. A spiral roller compresses the clay into a cylindrical shape. Cylindrical clay fits the mold for round coffee cups. After cutting, clay is lifted to the second-floor workshop. Experienced craftsmen shape the clay into small pieces for molding. High-end automatic tools shape and cut the cup body. Set. An assistant removes the cup body and places it to air dry for 2.5 days. A perfect coffee cup needs a handle for elegance. Perfectionist craftsmen won't allow a cup. Wooden molds quickly produce ear-shaped handles. Once set, craftsmen clean excess clay for smooth handles. Attach the handle to dried cup body with diluted clay as glue. After assembly, the clay becomes a coffee cup. Before firing, high-end glaze is prepared. The clay is quickly rolled in the glaze. Special glaze ensures shine and texture. After drying for 89 hours, the assistant places them in the kiln. At 120 degrees C, the glaze becomes a glassy surface. This makes the cup smooth and easy to clean. Appeal to young people. The boss has the village's prettiest girl at patents. Cheap transfer paper boosts profits. After applying, the cups go to optimization workshop for pattern transfer. After transfer, they cool for 24 hours. Mass-produced coffee cups are complete. For just 2,000 rupees, you get